How to test a battery with a multimeter. Welcome to this guide on how to test a battery with a multimeter. In this session, we'll go through the step-by-step process of setting up your multimeter, connecting it to the battery, and interpreting the results to determine the battery's condition. Introduction. Testing a battery with a multimeter is one of the simplest and most effective ways to check its health. By measuring voltage, we can quickly know whether a battery is strong, weak, or completely dead. A healthy battery will show a reading close to its rated voltage, while a lower reading usually signals problems. Step 1. Set up the multimeter. The first step is to set up your multimeter. Turn the dial to DC voltage mode, indicated by a capital V with a straight line above it. Next, select the correct voltage range. For small batteries like A or AA, choose the 2-volt range if available, otherwise use the 20-volt range. For a 9-volt battery, select the 20-volt setting, and for larger batteries like a 12-volt car battery, choose 20 volts or higher. Step 2. Connect the probes. Now, let's connect the probes. First, identify the battery terminals positive and negative, which are usually marked with plus and minus symbols. Place the red probe on the positive terminal and the black probe on the negative terminal. Make sure you have good contact, because poor contact may give you an inaccurate reading. Step 3. Read the voltage. Once connected, look at the multimeter display. The screen will show the battery's voltage. Allow the number to stabilize for a few seconds before recording it, since the reading may fluctuate slightly at first. Step 4. Interpret the results. Now, interpret the results. A healthy 1.5 volt battery should read between 1.5 and 1.6 volts. A good 9-volt battery will read around 9 to 9.6 volts. A fully charged 12-volt car battery should show at least 12.6 volts. If the reading is lower, for example, less than 1.3 volts for a, below 7 volts for a 9-volt, or under 12 volts for a car battery, then the battery is weak. If the voltage is close to zero, the battery is dead and should be replaced. Important considerations. Finally, keep some important points in mind. Different battery types have slightly different voltage ranges, so always check the specifications. For car batteries, a load test gives more accurate results by simulating real use. Rechargeable batteries may also show different voltage behavior. Most importantly, follow safety precautions. Never short-circuit the terminals, and always connect the probes correctly, red to positive and black to negative. By following these simple steps, you can easily test any common battery with a multimeter. This saves time, ensures your devices run properly, and helps you decide whether a battery needs to be recharged or replaced.